Hello and welcome to Affinity. Let's have a look at a little tweak we can do with curves. So let's get a curves up here, and what we do is we're going to pull this up a little bit. And if you pull the end up here, you're saying what was black is now not quite so black. But we don't want to keep it a straight line here because we may want to do other things. Or we just pull it back to here and put it in 2 or 3 points to keep it straight. So let's have a look at what this does. So watching this picture, watch the hair there. Notice it starts off darker, and when you pull up, as it goes up, it goes very sort of kind of blur. So what you might want to do with something like this is, if you turn this up a bit here, notice it's also doing it to the background as well, and the balustrade there. So maybe I want to make these a little bit more matte and muted, but if I want to keep this again, all I need to do is to get a paintbrush tool with black, with the curves layer there set, and then I can paint back in here, and that masks out that. So I've still got the hair, but the background here is a bit more muted. See before, see that's quite sharpened things. There it's just a bit muted, it's taking that back, and that's what that uptick does. The other thing you can do with this sort of thing is if you do a letter S overall, you might want to do this at the same time, but look at what's happening here. This is going all very orange. So what we want to do is to do this with something that's not going to change the color. And if we go down here to RGB, click on this and go down to LAB, that's like RGB. You get the same colors, but it's in a different format. The key thing here is something called lightness, and lightness is only about the luminance and the light and dark, and it doesn't change color things. So if we bring that one, say, up a bit there, bring this one down here, and we can turn this one up here, so we get an S curve. There we got a lot more contrast in the image, but it's not affecting color. So there we go. That's a use for the black uptick at the bottom. Hope you enjoyed that one, and thanks for watching.